Microsoft Excel 2010 Formatting Cells. The tools for formatting the cells in a worksheet are found on the Home tab of the ribbon. Each tool performs a single task. If the tool cannot be seen, right-click in the cell and click on Format Cells. This will open the Format Cells dialog. The tool that is needed may be here. Click on Cancel. Notice that the column widths have been adjusted to suit the data so that the data appears very readable. The headings have been ignored in terms of the column width. Select the sheet for February. In this unformatted worksheet, the column widths match the headings, not the data. That makes the data difficult to read or leaves a lot of empty space in a cell. Select the entire worksheet by clicking on the worksheet selector. Change the font to Arial. Select all the data. In the font group, click on the Borders button and select all borders. Select all the data in column E. In the number group, use the combo box. Click on the drop-down arrow and change the number format to currency. Double-click between the two column names to change the width of the cell. Drag the cell a little wider. Remember that all the data should be formatted so that it can be easily seen. Drag the widths of the other column to adjust them so that the data can be seen clearly. Select all the cells in column A. Hold down the Control key and select all the cells in column D. Click on the Center button. The data in column A looks very neat, but the data in column D doesn't. Select all the data in column D and change the formatting back to left alignment. Use the Increase Indent button to move the contents of the cell slightly away from the cell edge. To copy the formatting in these cells to the cities, select the Format Painter. Drag over the cells to be formatted, and they will be changed to be formatted in the same way. As soon as the data has been formatted neatly, select the headings. In the Alignment group, click on Wrap Text. Double-click to adjust the row height. Change the headings if necessary. Select all the headings and choose bottom of the cell. Change them to bold. Center them. Adjust the size of the font one point at a time by clicking on the Decrease Font Size button. As soon as the headings are neatly formatted, select a background color. Either select a color from the drop-down list or click on the button to use a previously selected color. Copy the formatting for these cells into where the date is. If we copy the formatting from 5 different cells, it will be applied to 5 cells. Choose the Format Painter, click on February. It has been applied to 5 cells. Select these 2 cells and click on the Merge and Center button. Move the cells to the middle. Select any cell where there is no formatting and select the Format Painter. Select the cells which shouldn't be formatted. Select the heading. Change the heading to a different font and a different font size. In the alignment group, Use the text direction button to change the direction of the text. Select cells A1, A2, as well as B1 and B2, and click on Merge and Center. Double-click to adjust the row height. If it doesn't work, just drag down to change the row height. Remember that the data must suit the column width and the column width must suit the data.